ALBI, 128 counts, 2 walls, phrased, advanced. Part A, total 32 counts. Throughout Part A, your thumbs and index finger always connected. To the left, hold 7 counts. To the right, hold 7 counts. Cross, hold 7 counts. Side, hold for 8 counts. That's the end of Part A. Count for Part A. After intro 31 counts. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Part B, total 32 counts. Part B, your palms are always flat. To the right, shoulder level, left, shoulder level, head level, head level. Close, lower down, head right, left, right, center. To the left, close. To the right, close. Bend knee left, right, straight. Bend knee right, left, straight. Bow 4 times. To the left diagonal, recover. Right diagonal, recover. Left diagonal, recover. Right diagonal, recover. Do a full body circle. Start from the right diagonal, anti-clockwise. Do a full circle. Finish on the left and prep for start Part C. Count Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part C is the main dance. Total 64 counts, 2 walls. Section 1, full turn with sweep. Quarter forward and sweep 3/4 back to 12. Cross rock side, cross rock together. Section 2, syncopated weave. Cross side behind side cross. Side right with shimmy over 3 counts together. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Make a 180 turn facing 1030. Step, lock, step, hitch quarter turn facing 130. Step, lock, step, hitch. Modified syncopated jazz box. Cross, backside cross, 1/8 back, facing 12. Ball on the left. Pedal half turn. Quarter, 1/8, 1/8, flick. Now facing 6 o'clock. Count Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part C, Section 5, after the hitch. Quarter, half back, facing 9. Coaster step. Forward, quarter side, facing 6. Sailor quarter forward, facing 3. Section 6, 1.5 turning pony step. Hitch and hitch, half hitch and hitch, half hitch and hitch, half hitch and hitch. Now facing 9 o'clock. Count Section 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 7. Walk, walk, step, lock, step forward. Then make a curvy half, walk, walk, step, lock, step forward. Walk, walk, step, lock, step forward. Section 8. Step, pivot, half, facing 9. Step, pivot quarter facing 6. That's the end of part C. Count part C, section 7 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. After intro 31 counts. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backward C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second A facing 6 o'clock. The movement will be on count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.